you see that? Do you see that in the background? The bowl? The bowl in the background? Do you see it? Look at that bowl. That's a girl singing, honey. That's a girl.
Why do I sing like a girl?
No, but the person dancing is a boy. Yeah, he's a boy. He's a guy.
Like, talking like a girl?
Dance like him. Let's do it. Do it. No. My goofball.
He did that dance.
Looks like fun. Yeah, keep going. Look at how long he's lasting. And he's a lot older than you. You turned it on. Good job, love. Lucas, he's trying to tell you something. Well, look at you go. Whoa, be careful with him, love. He's your brother, you know. He's not a fake animal there.